Namaskar, I am Dr. Pratima Guleria, MD in Panchkarma, physician at Vaidyaratnam Vrindavan Ayurveda Chikitsalayam, Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. Nowadays, we hear a lot about psychosomatic or psychiatric disorders due to the hectic daily routine or stressful working lifestyle. So, there are very many therapies or external application in Ayurveda which will help more than the oral medications in these kind of disorders. So today we are going to discuss about a traditional treatment of Ayurveda known as Talopotichil. Talopotichil is a Malayalam word where Tala refers to head and Potichil means to cover. In the preparation of Talopotichil, various drugs are used according to the disease condition of the patient. In this patient, we are using dried amlaki along with the Panchgandha Churna medicines that consist of Ushir, Chandan, Yashtimadu, Riber, Musta, and Kushta. The dried amlaki fruits are soaked in buttermilk and cooked in buttermilk and kept overnight. And the next day, it will be mixed with the Panchgandha Churna medicines and prepared a thick paste. When the paste of these medication is prepared, it should be considered the thickness of this paste should be 1 to 2 centimeter and it should be applied over the whole scalp of the head by making a groove in the center, that is the vertex of the head. After that, by taking a banana leaf, all the paste should be covered with the banana leaf and the groove should be anointed with the medicated oil. In this patient, we are using Brahmi oil, Chandanadi oil and Shirbal oil. Talopotichil is indicated in various psychiatric or psychological disorders or neurological disorders like mental stress, anxiety, depression, epilepsy, ADHD, autism, chronic headaches like migraine, and various disorders of scalp like scalp dermatitis, thinning of hair or loss of hair or dandruff, and it is also indicated in certain stages of mental retardation. It is also indicated in sleep disorders like insomnia. It is indicated in degenerative diseases of cranial nerves. Now let's come to the benefits of Talopotichil. In Talopotichil, it corrects the imbalance of Vata and Pitta dosha. It activates the marma points, that is the vital areas, and it also stabilizes the nervous system, improves the memory, intellect, and also improves the sleep, various type of headaches and stress. It is also activates the endocrine glands. It nourishes the brain and the sense organs. It also provides smoothness or lusciousness in the hair by nourishing them.